Alright guys, day 70. Let's see, today we have different tickers. We have, what do we have? IO. We'll do hopefully you guys had a great trading day. Today was another day that we can say was rather action-packed, to say the least. Change this out. See here, documents. Sorry guys, just getting this all set up. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading day. Another great day for me. Could have been a lot better, and I want to go ahead and go over that and cover it with you guys to go over an explanation on what I'm talking about. But first, I want to upload this quick here. Alright. Did I really just get... Sorry guys, just setting everything up quick. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading day. I want to go over today in full because it was... Oops, I'm going to turn this off. It was definitely a hot day. Closing in. Alright guys, there is that. And then post this on trading floor here, or on my social media. We'll be good to go. Again, hope you guys had a great trading day. It's time for me to kind of get out of the house. I've been cooped up in here the past couple days. Well, I mean, I did get out yesterday a lot, but I'm just not much. I really like the outdoors, and trading is not the outdoors kind of stuff. Let's see. Put this up here. Hold on. Just gotta put this on my social media and we'll be good to go, guys. Should probably get some water too before I go live. Alright, Let me catch a quick drink of water. Here. Alright guys, so let me go live here. Oops. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so today obviously was a green day. You know, let's see. Sorry about that. Obviously, yeah, today was a green day. Sorry that my camera's not working. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of go over today's trading day like I usually do. And then, you know, just to help you guys out. And yeah, so what's going on, Mark? What's up, man? So let me kind of go ahead and get started on today. And you know, like as you guys have been seeing, you know, the market has taken a big hit. What's going on, Rania? Exactly, man. Exactly. Join me on YouTube. It's Cam the Man. It's a little bit bigger there, but yeah. So today, like I said, you know, it was definitely a hot day. You know, in terms of the coronavirus stocks, like we've been talking about, you know, the coronavirus sector is the only sector really that's been worth my time. Because, you know, in the end, guys, like, you know, I'm always going to float to where the money rotation is going, right? Where we're seeing the flow is what I call it. But it's like money rotation. Where the volume is at, where the liquidity is at, where we're seeing, you know, 100, 200, 300% runners. And so, you know, today, for an example, we had company APT come out. And that was one of my bigger trades, one of my happier trades of the day on APT. So we'll go ahead and cover that. And if you maximize the sell here. So on APT, you're going to see me play this one all over the place today. You know, this is, I don't like really the way that TOS shows my executions. But let's see if I can zoom in, maybe a little easier. I don't like all the arrows and stuff. I wish it would just be like on the spot with the average or something a little bit cleaner looking. But I got long here, 4,000 shares, 1020. And I'm out at 1045 for a nice little scalp there. I got back long at, let's see here, 1060 and 1080. And sold out at 1075, 11, and 1117. Another scalp here, 1196, and I didn't like the way it looked. And obviously, I got out perfectly because it came back down. Trying to get another scalp there, didn't like it. And then here was my big move. So, who ended up, what's going on, Jared? What's going on, Kelsey? So who ended up, you know, basically, you know, coming out with news today saying that, you know, unfortunately this is going into a pandemic. And so when we saw the coronavirus come out with this pandemic news, I immediately got long APT, this company that creates face masks and stuff like that, because they've been a part of the coronavirus ever since the very beginning. You know, this company's been one of the most volatile companies. I mean, we've gone from 4 to 41 and 3 to 8. You know, you can obviously see on the screen here, those of you guys on YouTube, how volatile this company's been. But as soon as that news came out, I literally just punched the buy button because I knew we were going to get some serious volume off of that news. You truly never know, you know, how far things are going to go. Like, that's the big thing. Oops, sorry about that. Like, you truly never know how far things are going to go, so that's the scary thing, right? The scary thing is, you know, you might have a strong thesis on something, but at the end of the day, like, you know, I got long at 1086, and I wanted to sell because I'd seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green candles. And my typical rule is after 6 green candlesticks, I'm out. But with that news, I figured, you know, we could go. This could eventually halt, you know. You know, we're all hoping that, you know, we didn't get that pandemic. We're all hoping that, you know, we didn't get, you know, that type of move. That type of news, unfortunately. But it is what it is. And as a trader, you have to react to whatever comes from it. You know, like, oh, shit, am I on? Sorry about that. Sorry. I don't know. I went on the wrong. Oops. I didn't go on the right Instagram Live. I went on my personal. No one cares on my personal. Whoops. Alright, now we're live on Instagram. Anyways, I don't know why that happened, but for whatever the case. So, APT, like I said, you know, I got long pretty big, 9,000 shares. And, you know, I was just watching this thing go up. I really didn't have a lot of stress because I got in right before this move. And honestly, it was one that I liked the best because it was the lowest out of the range and things like that. Yeah, I didn't mean to go on my personal. That was my bad, guys. I don't know how the heck I ended up on my personal Instagram. I gotta rotate through them. I got confused there. But anyways, we're back on my business Instagram. Sorry about that, guys. You guys missed some of the stream. But yeah. So good to have you guys on. But so as you guys can see on APT, Meech just got fed. He always bolts out of there. Wow, APT's coming up a little. What's the news? Something's going on with the SPY here. SPY had a quick pop. I have SPY puts. I want to see it kind of come down. Let's see if we come down here. Are we going to come down? This could be a kill candle, death candle here. Something's going on. Maybe some markets opened up. But that being the case, you guys can see I made $13,788.50 on APT. And, you know, in the end, you know, that's just quick reaction. And seeing that news, I immediately, you know, knew that we're going to see some type of volatility. But then towards the and I want to get to the thesis of all this. Okay, so APT obviously, you know, a good day, banked on it, and then what are some other names that I've traded? Let's see here. SBRA I actually shorted. SBRA is a big company that I shorted. I usually don't short, but I saw in the news saying that the coronavirus outbreak started up in here and covered down here for about a $2,000 winner. Once I saw that news on the outbreak affecting that hospital or whatever Sabria Healthcare, I knew that the market was not going to like that. So I took a short. You know, you never know what's going to happen though. It could recover quickly or whatever. So I took my $2,000 and washed it out of the table. I could have made, you know, 4,000, or 3,500, but you know, at the end of the day, it's part of trading. NNVC, guys, $9,500 on this one. So NNVC, I played it twice. I actually started getting long down in here, and then I started scaling out 810, 811, 813. We ran all the way up to 885. And then 766, 788, and I sold off the rest of those shares at 877. I mean, literally, it felt like I couldn't lose today, guys. You know, it felt like I literally couldn't lose. You know, at the end of the day, we ended up, you know, green on the day. And but I want to go ahead and explain to you guys exactly what happened to me today. So I was actually up probably about $42,000 on the day, and I just felt like I couldn't lose mentality, right? Everything that I was getting in was making me money. Every stock, I swear, I just had this hot finger over the past like 8 days, guys, along with some other people. But at the end of the day, like, I just felt like I couldn't lose mentality. I didn't even realize it. Just up here, I was like, I kept getting in things and I wouldn't lose, and I kept getting in things and I'm making money. It was like left and right. So why don't I just keep clicking, right? But towards the end of the day, that killed me. I lost about $12,000, and that's the first time I've really taken a big loss in this account from the very beginning. Except LPCN 5,000 in an offering, but mainly, I haven't really taken a big hit on this account. And it's funny because I'm getting all these. I get texts from people now, that I'm friends with and things like that. Everybody's like, "It's now the time to buy. What are you thinking?" All this stuff, and it's like. I'm not that smart. I just do what I do, and I play stocks. But it's just funny because people think the world's ending right now, and honestly, for good reason. March Madness is closing. All these concerts are closing down. Italy's shut down. I mean, this is actually, I don't know if this has ever happened. And it's truly incredible stuff. We're witnessing history without any question. So it's cool to be a part of it, but you never want to see this, This is something that you wish that doesn't happen, You wish that things like this don't happen and businesses don't get affected like this. But it is what it is. Again, you'll hear me say this time and time again. We are traders, and we're here to make money. And, at the end of the day, if there's an opportunity, I'm going to take it. Now, it doesn't mean that you wish for something. Okay, here comes my kitty. Hey, say hello to everyone, Meech. If there's opportunity out there, I'm going to take it. It doesn't mean that you wish for it. It doesn't mean that you want it to happen. It just means, there's opportunity, there's risk reward, and you see it and you take action on it. And, at the end of the day, I don't want the market to go down, but I have SPY puts. So, obviously, in order to make money, I have to see the market go down farther. I'm just taking the risk reward and putting it on my side. I don't love to see the market go down, but when there's opportunity, I'm going to take it. Okay? And so, at the end of the day, guys, that is what it is, Of course, you don't like to see any of this. You don't like to, you don't like to witness what's going on like this when people are shutting down, and next up, we're thinking it could be us. We're already getting to that point with all these, places shutting down, concerts shutting down, things like that. What else did I trade? And so, moral of the story today, guys. SPY is actually coming up here. I don't know on what news. Maybe some markets are opening up. I'm not really worried about it, though. But moral of the story today is I was up big again. I was up to about $41,000. And my first big $10,000, $12,000, $13,000 loser today was just on multiple stocks. I just kept like throwing darts at things like IBIO. IBIO, I kind of threw a dart at, and I got in way too much size, 50,000 shares. And I was basically risking like 4 cents for a potential of 20, but it crushed me because I got slippage, and it ended up being even worse. So I lost $6,000 on IBIO. What was the other one? APVO, $2,000 loser on this one. It was a winner to begin with, but then I took some more size, and I turned it into a loser. Another one is not APVO, it is... Mark. Let's see. Mark, I made $70 on. What was the other one that I lost on? I'm so hungry, guys. I'm just gonna make this quick, but NVAX, it took a HTBX. HTBX ended up being a loser today. Oops, sorry about that. Oh man, this SPY's coming up pretty good here. HTBX ended up being a loser. I hedged my short, so I'm not gonna make it crush, but and I lost $4,600 on HTBX because I thought this was gonna consolidate back up and close into high day. See like a potential late day ripper and runner because it did have coronavirus news, and it's a former runner, but we just never got it. I tried multiple times, never got that run, and then MLH came out with news today. about the coronavirus and how they're going to see profits ramp up because they have an emergency room that like treats this. What was it, MLH, I thought? Oh, CLH, sorry. Oops, CLH. I lost $2,200 on it, and I got long in here at 55.40, but I took too much size, and I stopped out pretty much rock bottom, and then this thing ran up to 56.30. So I had a chance to make, my risk reward was there. I got terrible fills, so I was, I think it was a 3-to-1 trade in general. But I took a $2,000 loser on that one. And let's see what's going on with the options room here. So yeah, that's basically where I'm at, man. So today's day, obviously a big green day again. No complaints. Could have been a lot. Oh, BKYI was my last one I wanted to cover. BKYI, I played it like AYTU, but when I saw something, I didn't like it. So I got long. I actually started longing right in here with about a 148 average, and I started selling off at 178, 181, 188. I took a re-long and looking for a breakout through high day and never got it. But I still made, what is it, 11,700 on it, which is a good day on that name. But I was basically playing it like AYTU. So, another big green day, guys. Tomorrow, hopefully I can make my goal tomorrow is 50,000, but I'm not gonna. I don't ever like push you to have goals. You just gotta take whatever happens in front of you and play off of it. And so, yeah, that's correct, man. That's correct, Alberto. Life, Alberto. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how I do this, how I've turned 1,000 into about $190,000 in 70 business days, again, I'll just post it here because I know a lot of you guys have been asking me, how do I do this? I want to pick your brain. I want to learn how you trade. I want to learn your strategies. I want to, if you do live one-on-ones or anything like that, I'd love to do it. I'd love to pick your brain. And this is literally the entire version of my brain in one video series. About 16 to 17 hours. Come on, guys. In the options room, can we please just keep it away from, memes and all this? Please, room rules. I know you guys are excited and all that, but it would get too spammy. We're here to make money. We're not here to. What's going on with RCL? I'm in RCL calls. That's why we have the lounge room. We have the lounge room so you can screw around, but not in the trading room. The trading room, it's just too crazy out there right now, guys, to even be kind of screwing around. Even in after hours. Sometimes I don't mind in after hours, but right now it's just too crazy. But if you guys want to learn my strategies, just post that link. APT. Oh yeah, it's at $12. Wow. But anyways, guys, what's AYTU at now? That's really all I have to say. If you guys want to learn my strategy, links in the description. If you're interested in the channel, click the link in the description below. It's 100% free. Hopefully you guys learn something every day. Hopefully guys, I'm teaching you guys something every day with these daily lesson recaps. Please share me on your Twitter, @StocksToGo, Twitter @StocksToGo, and Instagram CamTheMan363, Instagram CamTheMan363. I would really love to, to have you, do that just because I want to motivate more and more people. I'm here to help you guys. As I always say, I don't come on here for free, to just screw around and spend 20, 30 minutes a day with you guys. This time's for you guys. This time's to reflect on your day, try and figure out what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, learn from my daily lesson recaps, and, this could be something that I do for, if I did a mentorship program, this would be a paid thing, so, take it all in. Please like and subscribe to the channel, click the icon if I make new videos, and hopefully you guys are getting something out of this. I really do hope that. I'm hoping that NorMacNoTrading.com is really helping you guys trade better. That's why I originally started this. I know we have a long ways to go to create better and better education, but you know, we have to start somewhere, and I hope that you guys are learning a ton from me and from the room. The room is free as well, so please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to know if I make new videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, team, and